Breaking news.
I'm Jay Jarvis. We interrupt programming because a verdict has been reached in the Semi Williams trial. Take a live look now inside the courtroom.
Jury entering.
Please be seated. Has the jury selected a foreperson? Juror number 1, are you the foreperson? Yes, I am. Juror number 1, has the jury... Please fold the verdict in half. Please give it to Deputy Francis, who will hand it to me. Madam Clerk, please publish the verdict.
In the Circuit Court of the 15th Judicial Circuit, Criminal Division, in and for Palm Beach County, Florida, case number 21 CF 009692 A and B, Division U, State of Florida versus Semi Lee Williams Jr., defendant, verdict. We, the jury, find as follows. As to count 1, we find the defendant guilty of second-degree murder, a lesser-included offense. If you find the defendant guilty of second-degree murder, you must answer the following question. During the commission of the offense, did the defendant carry, display, use, threaten to use, or attempt to use any weapon? Yes. So say we all, this 23rd day of January, 2026, in West Palm Beach County, Florida, signed jury foreperson.
Does counsel have an objection to the form of the verdict?
No.
Does counsel for either party wish to have the jury polled? Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, the clerk will poll the jury. That simply means that she will ask each of you individually if the verdict she read is your verdict. If the verdict she read is your verdict, please answer yes without further explanation. If the verdict as read is not your verdict, please answer no without further explanation. Madam Clerk, please poll the jury.
Juror number 1, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 3, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 5, was the verdict as read your verdict? Yes. Juror number 6, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 7, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 8, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 10, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 11, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 12, was the verdict as read your verdict?
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the parties, the lawyers, and the people of the state of Florida, I wish to thank you for your time, attention, consideration, and dedication to this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges afforded to you as jurors. No juror can be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for the consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair so long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you the unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. The lawyers and the representatives are not permitted to initiate contact with you. However, you may wish to speak to the lawyers or anyone else about the trial. You also have the right to refuse to speak to anyone. A request may come from those who are simply curious, or from those who might seek to find fault with you. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. I prepared a letter for each of you, thanking you for your time.